Hey everybody, how's it going? So today's April 30th. I got another Guess What's in the Box video for you guys today from Home Depot. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, how's it going? Alright, so today is just going to be a quick Guess What's in the Box video. This is a box that I got from Home Depot. I ordered this on Wednesday, which was the 28th. I got it here today on Friday the 30th of April. Hints to Milwaukee items. So the box is 16 inches wide by, or 16 inches long, I'm sorry, by 13 inches wide, and it is 13 inches tall exactly. It's pretty close to a square box. It's not extremely heavy. It's I don't know, somewhere in the realm of maybe 10 or so pounds. The box the tracking on this said it came from California. Let me see real quick. Came through FedEx. Says the tracking originated in Bloomington, California, then it hit Oceanside, then it hit Buckeye, Arizona, then it hit Phoenix, Arizona, then Chandler, and then from Chandler to me. This sticker on here actually says 7200 West Buckeye Road, which is Buckeye, Arizona, but it's got a Phoenix, Arizona zip code, and that's more than likely because Buckeye is technically a part of Phoenix. I don't see, is there like a weight on here anywhere? I don't see a weight on it. It says 13.3 pounds on my app. So, yeah, that's about right. To me, it feels about 10 or so pounds. We'll be doing an unboxing and taking everything out of it in the next video. Just wanted to pop up a video for you guys. I've been kind of enjoying these quick little 2-minute, Guess What's in the Box videos. They're fun for me to do. If, anybody that doesn't like them, you don't have to watch them. It's no big deal. I do appreciate you guys stopping by the channel, checking out the video. As always, please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. I did get this on the Buy More, Save More that Home Depot was doing the 2nd of June, or May, I'm sorry. The 2nd of May is when this deal ends, the Buy More, Save More deal ends. But as always, like, comment, subscribe. Smush the bell notification icon. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Do have the top of the description below. I do have an Ulsa Tools link. It'll get you 10% off your order at ulsatools.com. As well as it kicks me back 10% off my next order from them. I do appreciate you guys watching the channel and everything. Liking and subscribing and commenting and using the affiliate links, because the channel is now paying for itself. I do got some Milwaukee switch tanks on the way that the channel paid for that we're going to be doing videos on. I kind of needed them. One's for me, the other one's for my wife for her gardening and stuff. We'll do a lot of videos on those coming up. They're about 4 to 5 weeks out. But appreciate you guys watching, and I hope to see you guys on the next video. Peace!